Aeson Power. Sodium. Oh, we've got some salt water stuff going on here. Let's have a look. Interesting, interesting. Alright, we've got our big commercial gear here. What are they? These are just normal lead acid batteries. What's going on? Oh, no. Tell a lie. Look, sodium ion starter battery. Wow, look at that. So these sodium batteries look like they can switcheroo in your car by the looks of it. High current. I thought sodium were low current. Here we have high current. Amazing. So what's this? Is this a lithium or salt? Oh, looks like a good wardrobe there. Look at that, it's empty. Can't tell if this one's a salt water battery or not. Well, I can't tell. No, lithium. So they're doing their lithium. Here you go, rack batteries. Everyone's doing those. So sodium batteries, lithium batteries, nice weatherproof enclosure there, look at that. And bus bar system that really takes out the work when it comes to installation, including some mounting. I respect that as an installer. I'm going to do another pass by as a result. That saves a lot of work. And that's it for those guys. BYD, a very famous huge battery manufacturer. So obviously they got their range of batteries. The LV Flex, very affordable for its capacity through some wholesalers. What is this? Max Light. I haven't heard of that one. Utility sized battery system. My only criticism is that there's not enough IP65 rated enclosures. This one's probably IP54, is it? IP rating. Semi-waterproof, is it? Yeah, IP55. Okay, under a veranda outdoors. Yeah, that's not bad. I like this battery, very good. IP20 enclosure. It's I'd love to see this in IP65 enclosure. I've got two of these at my house. I'll pick up a third one, 45 kilowatt hours, then I'll be set up for an EV. I've already got 29.5 kilowatts on the roof as well. And of course they've got their, I think this is the Blade battery, isn't it? This is the, hold on. Blade battery, yes it is, and it's safer because of the design means if an idiot comes up with an axe and puts an axe through it, it's not going to catch fire. Right, oh here we go. Okay. First, BYD Blade battery is the world's first battery that has passed the nail penetration test. Right. So for all the EV people that like to see these things on fire, go and put a nail in your LPG gas tank or a nail in your petrol tank and see how you go. Are these only available for EVs at the moment, or you got also for residential, commercial, utility?
It's
only for EVs at the moment?
I'm not sure about that. Maybe
hold on, wait, we're going to hold on that. Looks like it has quite a few cycles too, 12,000 there. And very low temperature performance, wow. Righto. Hold on, we're finding out if they're doing other than EVs on these Blade batteries. Tell a lie, this is specifically for energy storage, not EVs.
Yes.
Very safe for the home. Ah, there we go, finally got there. It's the opposite of what I thought. I thought these were for EVs, they're fireproof, but no, they're for your battery. Yeah. You can put these in your bed and sleep on top, nice and safe. And why not get a bed with a mattress on top of EV batteries? Only kidding.
Looking for the EV cells?
No, I was actually looking for ESS.
Oh.
And I thought these were made for EV because of their safety, but no, they're made for ESS.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah,
excellent. CALB, a lithium-ion battery manufacturer, and here's their range. I wonder if they're doing anything fancy like that other battery manufacturer, like sodium or salt water batteries and solid-state batteries. Let's ask. You doing solid-state batteries here or just lithium?
Lithium, most.
Only lithium, no solid-state battery?
No salt.
No?
Sodium and
Oh, you're doing sodium?
sodium.
Ah, you're not doing solid state?
Solid state we also.
You also do solid state. Oh, well, there you go. They do it all. And what's this battery? I haven't seen it. It goes with an inverter, but this is 5 kilowatt hours. Is this a low voltage battery?
This is one pack. And
What?
can be connected
Hold on.
with separate
51 volts, low voltage. All right. So no one's really, they're just putting on displays, but they're not really advertising their sodium and solid state.
state, but not applied in the ESS market, but
No.
in the EV market.
EV market, solid state. Got it. So there's the word on the street, solid state technology used in EV market, probably sodium as well, but for the domestic market or residential market, well, or this kind of thing, we're using lithium. Got it. Cornex. What are we doing here? A lot of area, a lot of, oh, we're making batteries. Here we go. A lot of battery manufacturers here. You got anything other than batteries here? Yeah. Okay, let's have a look. TV. Okay. Oh yeah, the big container full of batteries. Batteries, and that you are Cornex. Now, here's another bunch of battery guys. And this one here, it will start a car, so it must have a lot of current. And that's their claim to fame. Top lithium battery. Energy Dome O2 battery. What is an O2 battery? That's a good question. What the hell is this? A CO2 battery? Carbon dioxide battery? Wow. Never heard of a carbon dioxide battery again before. Oh, that's why it's it's got a C and the rest of it makes the O. So CO2 battery. Got it. I'm loving the logos this year, I'll tell you what. Look at this cardboard table tennis. What is this place? What are we selling here? Cardboard table tennis. Energy Storage Industries. Flow batteries, iron flow battery. Oh, there you go. I don't know why they're attracting you with the cardboard table tennis, but iron flow batteries, very interesting, and that is should be a very affordable option for larger storage solutions. It's just running salt water across some iron, some spatulas, I think. Put some spatulas alternating positive, negative, and run some salt water in there. I don't know, something like that. But anyway, I'll tell you what. Oh, there's one going on Maryborough, just up the road, Central Victoria. Energy Storage Industries Asia Pacific. I'm very interested in this locally sourced materials. This kind of technology is what I'm interested in. I thought you could pretty much build this kind of battery at home. Like I said, with a couple of spatulas, dozens of spatulas, and run salt water past it. I think it's pretty much how it goes. EOS Energy. Now here's something new. Zinc-powered aqueous liquid battery modules. Now these, everyday cycling after 20 years will only lose 3.6% of their full capacity. That's a very long life battery. And it is lower in current than a lithium battery, but certainly an option. Exide Technologies, famous for their lead acid batteries, but of course moving into lithium as well, to plonk a big container somewhere for peak shaving, microgrid, frequency stabilization, off-grid application, self-consumption, backup power, energy trading. Right. Here's another one. Batteries, that is. You're doing pretty much replacing a lead acid battery with a lithium battery by the looks of this, with their own integrated battery management system. No, you can't. Oh, we've got a language barrier here. Hold on. Okay, fair enough. So we've got all this going on internally, so we don't need the inverter to communicate with it. Fantastic. And look at this thing. Look at the specs on that. 5,000 cycles, 2.5 kilowatt hours. Pretty much multiply those two together. That's the old lead acid battery rating. So that's equivalent to a 200 amp hour 12 volt battery, and the same size too. I wonder, this is a dummy, yeah? Yeah, it's a dummy. There's nothing in there. But
the battery is just
how heavy would that be? How?
Just for this
I know. How many kilograms? Yes, I just worked that out. How many kilograms?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, you can see.
Well, we've got lots of different batteries, and this one that we're looking at would be normally 23.5 kilos. So much lighter than the equivalent size in lead acid. Hithium, with the trendy I on the H, just like Chint. Yeah? Chint battery accessories, they make accessories. You make batteries. Right, you make them yourself, and
Cell and container.
container. Liquid cooled. Liquid cooled, what does that mean? You got on a car, liquid cooling.
Yeah,
Goes through a radiator. Yeah, show me that. Show me that. Yeah, I'll stand here. Pop it open. Anyway, liquid cooled. We got a radiator in there with liquid going around and a fan. Got it. All right. Cheers. JGNE. Golden Cell Battery Lighting Global. Oh, they're making cells, aren't they? Here they are, right here. And they're it's a 6.4 volt cell. Wow. There you go. And they're putting them in a battery like this. That's a 51.2 volt, 105 amp hour. Look at that. That's to go with your low voltage inverter. JGNE. Okay, batteries, lithium and lead acid, and you make your own. Longt Tech. They got a factory and they're making batteries. Lithium batteries to replace lead acid, obviously. Here are their cells. Oh, they got their stack batteries here. And individual cells here. Narada. Yes. Originally a lead acid battery company, but now all lithium. Yeah, you're making lithium, huh?
Yes, LFP. Yeah.
LFP. Everything's LFP. Reputable name. And of course they've got their big package here. Whack it in the factory, whack it at your DC superchargers, all that sort of stuff. Looks like the grid can't handle it. I think the grid has shot itself in the foot. It's been run to failure with privatisation here in Australia. It's completely run to failure, and now we have to put all this in. Very good battery company. Yeah? Yeah, okay, I'll have one of those honeycombs, thanks. So, we are at Power Plus, local, Bayswater manufacturer. The advantage of local manufacturing is if you need another battery that has been superseded, they can make it for you because they're local. So let's say you do a system today and then in 3 years time you want to upgrade it and that battery is not available anymore because things have moved on. Well, they'll make one so that you can upgrade your existing system. There's a big letter P up there, Powin. Powin, what do they do? Let's go and have a look. They've got their Coliseum set up, okay. Their conference room, all right. We're looking pretty corporate here. Oh, here we go. We've got a container full of batteries. Oh, we're looking at blade type batteries, are we? Maximum safety. The blade battery is safer. For some reason, if a psycho comes at it with an axe, which is what everyone's complaining about on the internet when they see burning whatever, EV cars or whatever. So if you want to really make a good TikTok video, take to one of these with an axe. No, don't take to one of these with an axe because it won't burn like the others. Very safe. Because as you know, cars that have got petrol tanks in them, if you take them with an axe and set them on fire, nothing happens. LPG gas tanks, hit them with an axe and set them on fire, nothing happens. It only happens to batteries. There's so much bias against EVs on the internet. It's ridiculous. But anyway, couldn't help making that comment. Sorry for my ramblings. There you go. Pylontech, reputable batteries, I know them. They're also doing their big commercial package there. Mainly it's for domestic use, I've installed these. Look, they got an inverter, a Pylontech inverter with a very trendy display. I like that. What do we got? Usually LV. No high voltage. 102.4 volts there. Looks like they add up. It's pretty high voltage. We've got our PV going in. It's like 3 trackers. Pretty nifty. Not a bad. They usually do batteries, but they're doing an inverter to go with it. There you go. Pylontech. And, well, we'll finish with their big battery inverter system. There you go. Look at that. Here we go. Battery manufacturer, no doubt, yeah? Lithium only? Yes, lithium only, and looks like they stack like this, just like that, or is there an enclosure?
We have two kind of.
Well, that's nice and easy. Got some clips there.
Yeah.
And it seems to be coupled with a very popular inverter made by Solus, also rebranded as Dai, I think you pronounce it, and Noark. I've seen this inverter in various different formats, but it's made by Solus. So it's coupled. This very popular inverter, this hybrid off-grid, yeah. REPT. Let's go in there and have a look. See what they do. There's some big deals going down in there. Look at all this. Global partners. Right, okay. The REPT bar. Wow. Interesting, but I'm trying to... Oh, here we go. Liquid cooling module. It's a battery. What am I talking? This is a battery for a residential energy storage module. Wow, look at this. Slot that into the wall cavity, I guess. Those are not impressive figures, so it must be one cell, not the whole battery. I'm going to find out some details. Bear with me. Oh, okay. I got it. They're a battery manufacturer. Look at this. Here's one of their cells here. So on and so forth. Lifey pose by the looks of it. Lithium batteries. And here's one of their industrial scale ones. Look at that. 5 megawatt hours batteries. Got it. There you go. R&J Batteries. Oh, look at this. A lithium titanate battery. Very long and skinny. Looks like the selling point there is 22,000 cycles. That's 3 times more. 3 times more than a normal lithium battery. I don't know how many more times than an ordinary carbon battery. Now that's the real question. And you're doing some old school lead acid batteries here too. Gel cells. Yep.
Yeah.
And you're also doing this one, which is a yeah, but who's MPS?
That's me.
That's
I'm
you.
the director.
You're MPS,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Slot them in the rack, and what do we got here? IP what rated?
It's fully waterproof.
Fully waterproof.
Yeah.
Now that is a bonus. A lot of them sell IP20 racking.
Yeah, no,
great.
This one's actually.
No, that's
this one's
actually-
made in Australia. We make this.
And it's on. Is it normally on wheels?
It's normally on wheels.
Those
yeah.
wheels can take the weight.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah,
That is.
They're
That is.
rated to, over
Right.
300
That is.
kilos.
That's a feature. That's a feature worth noting. I don't know what this is. It's a pretend one. All right. Anyway, R&J Batteries. That's where you get it all. SAFT. I think they're French batteries. See what they got. I have no idea why, but they don't have any batteries apart from this little module here. Commercial, utility-sized stuff. Shine well. Power technology. Batteries. Lithium ion. LiFePO. Lithium iron phosphate. We've got an inverter there. We've got some replacement batteries for the standard old school lead acid. Right, they're in lithium. And so on and so forth. A few products here by the looks of it. Okay, vision. See what sort of vision they got. They got the LiFePO batteries here. Righto. Stackable ones for an ESS here. And these must be models of commercial sized gear, utility gear. Except for this thing. What on earth is this? Big orange box. It's a battery. It's a 51 volt, 500 amp hour. That's 25 kilowatt hours, isn't it? Oh, there it is, 25.6 kilowatt hours. Yes. Look at that. Nice. Big battery. What are you going to use that for?
Use for the forklift.
For your what? For the forklift?
Forklift, yes, that's right.
Yep. Or can you use it at home?
Use that.
At home? Look, you lift it up and drop it into the... Oh, it's a forklift battery. Right, okay, vision. There you go. Wenergy has built themselves a bit of a coliseum here, and they tell me that they make their own batteries. They're not repackaged from another factory. And here's an example of one of their telco lithium batteries designed to replace a lead acid battery. So it's got lead acid type specs, but I can see 50 volts times 100 amp hours is about 5 kilowatt hours.